Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for the most hilarious and insightful product comparisons. Today, we've got a dogfight in the skies. It's the battle of the drones, the SYMA drone versus the TOMZON A23 mini drone. Drones, drones, drones. First up, let's talk cameras. The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky, capturing all your epic moments in high definition. Perfect for those Instagram flexes. Now, the TOMZON A23 mini drone, well, it doesn't have a camera. So if you're looking to shoot your next blockbuster, TOMZON might leave you hanging. But hey, it's great for scaring the neighbor's cat. Next, user-friendliness. Both drones are pretty much idiot-proof, but let's see who takes the crown. The SYMA drone comes with headless mode, altitude mode, and even a one-key takeoff/land feature. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Even your grandma could fly this thing without crashing it into the family dog. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 mini drone is the perfect starter for kids and beginners. It's got one-key takeoff and throw to go. Yes, you literally throw it, and it flies. Just don't throw it at Uncle Bob during Thanksgiving dinner. Trust me, it won't end well. Now, let's talk about how long these birds can stay in the sky. The SYMA drone flexes with 2 powerful batteries, giving you a whopping 40 minutes. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while it's up there. TOMZON's got 2 modular batteries too, but they only give you 18 minutes of flight time, which is, well, enough to make a sandwich and maybe eat half of it. But hey, it's still double the fun time compared to just 1 battery. Last but definitely not least, durability and safety. The SYMA drone comes with 4 propeller guards and advanced optical flow positioning. It's like having a bodyguard for your drone. Plus, it's got low voltage and overcurrent protection, so it won't just drop out of the sky like a rock. TOMZON A23, though, is built like a tank. Made of tough materials and equipped with propeller guards, this little guy can take a beating. Perfect for kids who think drones are indestructible chew toys. Summarizing the reviews, the SYMA drone is highly recommended for both young pilots and advanced users due to its durability, ease of use, and quality features. However, it has a relatively short battery life per charge, mitigated by the inclusion of 2 batteries. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 mini drone is praised for its compact size, ease of control, and durability, making it an excellent choice for kids and beginners. Though it lacks a camera and has shorter flight times, it is well loved for its affordability and fun factor. So there you have it, folks. The SYMA drone is your go-to for high-quality footage and longer flights, while the TOMZON A23 mini drone is the perfect, budget-friendly starter for kids and beginners. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial shots or just have some fun, both drones have something to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Now go out there and fly smart, buy smart. See you in the next video.